Good morning. This is my Mamod MM2. This is quite a rare one because it's got a flat bed on it, so I understand these ones are harder to get hold of. I date this one around 1953, and this one is my favourite engine. It was given to me by a good friend of mine who had it when he was a little boy, and when I got it, the piston was broken just here. I had to solder this tube back on to make it work. I had to get a new stopper washer as well. Let's see how it goes. I've already got it up to steam, so just to save a bit of time, I'm going to hold it because it does vibrate and it jumps all over the table. Here we go. Just starts up nice. Lots of power for a little engine. Gaining speed. I've actually lost the, well, it was never there, the stopper for the filler, for the burner. It's now starting to gain some speed. Runs absolutely beautiful for its age. I think it's quite silent, it's quite quiet. Ticks over lovely. There's no loose bits. Let's turn it round so we can get a view. Ticks over beautiful, doesn't it? It's got a double burner, which I'll show you. As soon as you take it out, the pressure starts to drop. There's the piston. The Mamod sign has gone. It was never there. It's a Mamod MM2, and again, as I mentioned, it's got a flat bed, so it's quite a rarity. It's a beautiful little engine. You see a lot on places for sale that are the later ones that have got the pressed stands. And you can tell they're later because if you look at this piece, the later ones, they're thicker, they're pressed, rather than just a flat piece of metal. And that is a beautiful little engine. You've got the little blowout preventer on top here, so if the pressure gets too high, it will vent out of this little blowout preventer on top. I'm now going to take the burner out and just let us stop, and I'll show you some of my other engines. We've got older ones as well, a lot older, and some very interesting ones, so look out for our other engines, which we shall list very shortly. As soon as the fire's out, it just comes to a nice stop. Beautiful engine.